If you've got an IBEX 450 in your garage and you want to put on the Tusk Crash Bars, you've made a good choice first. We've got an awesome product spotlight to give you all the details about this, but I wanted to show you how easy it was to put this on your machine. So let's get into that install. Begin by removing the 2 bolts from the plastic filler from under the front of the bike. Next, we're going to install this front mounting bracket using the 2 OEM bolts. We'll leave this super loose at this point and make sure that this bracket is going underneath the OEM bracket. Next, pop off the cover caps on the side to access the upper frame bolting points. We'll then grab our first crash bar. We're starting with the right-hand side. We're going to use one of the supplied M60 bolts and pass through the upper mounting point and then one of the 1.75-inch spacers. Put the crash bar in place, making sure to position the front of the crash bar on top of your front mounting bracket. Then loosely install the bottom M8x20 bolt through the lower mounting point into the threaded portion on the frame. We'll then repeat these steps on our other crash bar, making sure to align the mounting points on the front of the machine. Install the 2 M8x35mm bolts through the front mounting bracket, then align the bungs and the M8 nylon nuts. Align the crash bars as desired, then we'll go back through and tighten everything down. We're going to start with our front mounting bracket and then do the other 2 bolts up there with their matching nylon nuts. Next, we'll go to our lower mounting bolts. And last, we're going to do our upper mounting bolts, and we're going to make sure everything is nice and secure. There you have it. That install did not take us very long to do, and this thing is ready for battle now. Be sure to get your crash bars for your IBEX 450 at the link below. But as always, remember, if you're looking for your place to get ready, Rocky Mountain's the place to be. I'm Trent, and thanks so much for watching.